I'm using my huge wheelie jars of Velvetty Gels right here. Okay. I'm gonna put the no wipe top coat on the top. Floating right on the top. And this designs, I'm going to use the polished stone. I got it from my subscription box. So a lot of you will get this colors, and then other colors. There's total 10 colors. So I'm so excited. Let's believe that you are all unique your own way. So we don't want to like give you only one color. We give you 10 colors, so then each of you will have their own cool idea of what you are going to create with. All right, so here's a frame from this. I've been using this on this side too, so I'm excited to see. And this nails and the polished stone, it will like have a texture, but it feel really good. I feel like it's therapy when I feel this, like the same when you're touching spinning ring. Same thing. I said, oh, it feels good. It's like, you see what I mean? Like when we were little, we're sucking our thumb. It's like exactly the same for adults. Soothing, right? Thank you for the right words. So I'm gonna put this one on. Hold on, wait a minute. I can't see it. Okay, I'm gonna mold this one. Sorry. Anyone can see? It looks so cool and stunning. I love it. Right there. Maybe I should do it like right here. I should do it like right here. You know? Let's do it like that. Instead of straight, we can really create different look. Okay. Hold on, I need to get my frame. I need to get my frame in the straight way because it's curved on the nails. And I will get my polished stones. It's kind of a little bit angle like that. You don't have to get it straight right in. You can just do however you want. Create your own unique piece. All right, this one I have it straight already, so I want something else for you to see it, okay? And I get the metal frame from, sorry, I just had to move my hand, from the Glow in the Dark Crystal Kits. If you haven't seen the Glow in the Dark Crystal Kits, check them out. There are so many crystal in there, and with so many tutorial we've been doing, and of course we know that you're gonna have so much fun with this, and you can create it so many more. Here is a couple of the crystal. I'm gonna put it on. Sorry. Here. Oh, because I turned my hand, huh? Oh, sorry. I feel like I'm doing a short nails, I'm holding a breath more than I'm doing a long nails, but I love the short nails as well. So you see how simple it is? And it's really cool though. You know what? You gotta see in person. It's hard to see under the camera. Maybe a picture will tell more. The camera is like, because it's so sparkle, so it doesn't see. Look at that. So cool. Alright, so Kia, happy with this? You Kia, if you don't want, you can